Hey guys, we are on day 8 of my project and it has been going really good. So you've seen the finals in the bedroom. Now we're moving into the dining room and the living room. And actually the dining room, I'm gonna start a new technique today. It's called Serpentine Fresco and I love it. It's got a little hint of a metallic, but it's a green wall. So for all of you emerald lovers out there, stay tuned. I'm gonna be walking you through it. Bye. Hey guys, just wanted to check in. This is day 8 of my project. I've been working on completing this marble fireplace. So I'm gonna take a break because I got something else I wanna show you guys, but it turned out really pretty. We did a little bit of polishing on it. So yep, I'm just completing the veins and I want to show you the dining room, getting ready to start that. So, stay tuned.
Step 1, prep your glazes. Step 2, base coat your parallel sample. Step 3, glaze your wall. Now let's create the first layer of our fresco wall.
Hey guys, we are finishing up day 8 and today we started the second layer of the office and looks really good. So we are doing a serpentine fresco technique, and this is just the first coat, the base layer. Turned out really pretty. All right, so see you guys tomorrow.